Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. Today we'll be talking about basics of Kotlin. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. In this video, we will see how to declare comments, constants, variables, and also to perform arithmetic operations. First, let's talk about comments. Code comments are used for documentation purpose. In a project, there can be situations where a number of developers are working on a single project. Or also for understanding purpose, code comments are written and are very helpful to understand the idea behind writing that particular code. Also, you may have written some code now and in the near future, you may come back to that written set of code and it may happen that you won't be able to recollect why you have written this set of code. So, to avoid such confusions, code comments or code level documentations are very helpful or is mandatory. There are basically two types of comments, single line and multi-line comments. Single line comments are declared like this. Whereas multi-line comments are declared like this. Next we'll see how to use arithmetic operations. When you add two numbers or when you subtract two numbers or do similar kind of things, then they are known as operations. You are basically performing arithmetic operations. So let's perform some basic arithmetic operations. Here each of these values are known as expressions and each expression has a value of 6. Println is nothing but a function which is used to print a value to the console. In the above code, we have used whole numbers, that is integers. However, if we want decimal numbers, then we need to declare it like this. And here we get the value of pi. Now we will perform some complex arithmetic operations. The remainder operation, also known as modulo operation, is denoted by percentage symbol. And you can use it like this. It basically gives you the remainder. Next we will see math functions. Similar to Java, Kotlin also has math functions. For example, here as you can see, it is showing error when we just type 9 instead of 9.0. It's because it is expecting a number of type double and not integer. And we are going to see what is double and what is integer in the upcoming videos. The square root function gives you the square root of a number. Also, if you notice, there is an import statement here. These are called import statements. Basically, libraries are imported here. Our square root function is in math library. There are many more math functions like max and min, which gives you the maximum and minimum number out of the two. Third, we will see how to declare a constant and a variable. The number or anything which is declared as a constant cannot be further changed or modified. Similar to final keyword in Java, you have val keyword in Kotlin to declare a constant. For example, here it shows val cannot be reassigned. That means once you have declared a constant, you cannot change its data. Constants can be used in scenarios where you don't want your variable's value to change in the future. For example, the value of pi can be declared as a constant. And if you know that your variable's value will change from time to time or it is the requirement of your program, then you should go for the var keyword and you declare it like this. And as you can see here, you can change the value of a variable as and when required. You just have to simply reassign it to a new number. So in short, if you want to declare a variable as constant, then use val keyword. And if you know that your variable's value will change over time, then you need to use var keyword. And always use meaningful names for the variables, because it makes very difficult for other people as well as you to understand the code. For example, a variable declared with a name as message makes it very difficult to understand it. Like, what exactly is a message? Is it a server message or a client message or anything like that? Now consider if it was declared as server message. Then you get the idea behind the variable declared. Like, it is something related to the server's message. The key here is that declare a variable, complete your program, and then just go through your program once and see if you can relate to the code with variable names declared. If you don't understand what you yourself have written, then it's time to change it. Also make use of casing while declaring a variable, like we have camel casing, Pascal casing, etc. In Pascal casing, we capitalize each word, whereas in camel casing, the first word is not capitalized and everything else is similar to Pascal casing. Usually in Kotlin, people prefer to use camel casing and it is declared like this: number of computers or count of students, etc. Now we'll see increment and decrement operators. As the name suggests, they are used either to increment or decrement a value. Let us see it practically. Here the salary variable begins as 1000, the increment sets its value to 3000 and then the decrement sets its value to 2000. In short, what we are doing here is this. Similarly, for multiplication and division, we have plus equal to and slash equal to operators. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like and comment down your thoughts below. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.